Viewers, I want to replace the inlet manifold gaskets, not the rocker cover gaskets. Yeah, inlet manifold gaskets, they're good on this still. They're inside here, that's a bigger job than this one. I'm going to replace these rocker cover gaskets. They're quite a leaky, the bolts have been tightened, but I reckon I'll tighten them more, I'll break. So I've got a new set. See both sides, because one side's leaking more than the other. So chuck those on. The motor's still a bit warm. Oh, you turned it off about half an hour ago. Drive it home to work and pick these up on the way home. This is the car that me and my wife using. The wife normally drives this car to work, so we did a bit of a car swap today. I can get a chance to replace these gaskets. This one's an easier one. I don't have to do much, just take the bolts off and it just manoeuvres behind these cables. The other side is going to take the all the inlet stuff off. The air box and the hose to the throttle body and this cover. That'll make that side of the gasket easy to do. Pretty easy job. They are the original ones. They're taut and... oh, forget that. 190,000. 190,000. So almost 200,000. It's about time to change them. Done pretty good for the originals. I just smell burning oil on the manifolds. Burning engine oil. Okay. Okay, now we've got to get these all bolts out because we've got to change these, all these seals, kick covers, everything. Everything comes with the O-ring for the oil for the cat. You'll see there's a bit of seepage on the top side too, so they're pretty much due for a replacement. I washed this engine pretty religiously too, it was always degreased. But when I did that, I ran the engine as it was just after I washed it. That drives off all the moisture, and that reduces the risk of it rusting so easily. I always like to keep the engines clean. Oh, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. The little one wants more attention. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Pretty straightforward. I gotta pop the old gasket out. Just pretty well flush. It's just flat out, it's flush. More flush than flushing a toilet. That's not going to seal anything. Time for that to go. I ain't going to seal nothing anymore. No sludge. A little bit in there. It's not too bad. Good regular oil change and good engine maintenance is the key to keep everything clean inside there. Smells good. Okay, place to put it back on. And this is the other side now. So a little tab that's on here, you're going to get it in there. It's tabbed and it's keyed one way. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. There. I've undid a few things which makes it easier. This is the throttle body side of the motor, passenger side of the engine block. So you just undo the dipstick, loosen that, nut off the manifolds, and move the dipstick out the road, and loosen off the clip for the spark plugs. That makes your job a lot easier. Okay, now I come with another oil cap oil fill O-ring, but I've got that on already. Now I'm going to pop these nuts out. And there's bolts to put these, replace these. This shouldn't leak oil for a long time now. I'll show in the top of the head, it's pretty clean. Oh, it's okay. The head's pretty clean, I did change the oil regularly, so there's no sludge or anything in there. Those gaskets look good, there's no moisture built up in there. Oh, it's okay, look. Everyone wants to play with my tools, but he can't get engine oil in his hands. It's a bit young to be playing with this sort of stuff yet. Little one's pretty taking a keen eye. Oh, it's just about to rain. Oh no. I'm going to get rained on. It's going to rain at one parade. Oh well, the show must go on. Oh, it's okay. Look, look, look. Oh, it's okay, baby. Sweet. Okay. Pop those in, pretty easy, straightforward. Alright. Hi Gigi. Hi Gigi. Hi Gigi. Learn it all. I think I might do a good detailed video. Haven't done one of these sorts of videos in a long time. Set the camera on a tripod, you can watch or do something. Makes for a more interesting video. The way I always do videos kind of gets a bit boring. So I can go and kick it over in there, kick it in there, and I'll put these inside this cupboard for now. I'm going to reuse these older seals as grommets for things. At the moment these will fit my fridge there and some washers, and they can press them out instead of those in the fridge. That might fit. Might be something worth investing in. That might make it perfect. They're still rubber, but you're just not for selling engine oil anymore. I'll just quickly move the camera a lot on the subject there. It looks pretty clean in there. And it looks pretty clean. Well, then I'll pop this back on. Alright. Just going to clip it on there. Alright, she's all done. Didn't take long at all. All put back together. Now I'm going to degrease it all. Okay, I'm finished now, okay? Now I'm going to degrease it all and wash it with a hose, and she's all done. No more oil leaks. And it just smells, yeah, burning oil smell, like a shitbox smell. That's all going to be washed off now. Perfect. Thanks for watching.